Andrew Zeegers, and I'm an artist. I love to make portraits in a style that refers to the Impressionists. I'm multi-passionate and I make illustrations, graphic designs and interior designs in which I design all the furniture myself. I love to teach and give online painting lessons to children, youngsters and grown-ups. I love to give painting workshops for bachelor parties or team building events. I enjoy making catering and do everything by hand, just like these wonderful shells filled with trout and lime cream. Domino design is my place to serve others. I am building a cultural marketplace in which each artist gets their own web shop, together with a social network and forum. I'm also building an employment agency for artists called Medium Network. By grace, I'm abundantly talented, and so are most other artists. I want to lovingly add my abundance to the world and help other artists to add their abundance to the world. I love to serve artists as humbly as I can in offering business skills and help them structurize their profession. That's it. Thank you.